welcome back to another edition of Money Talks. We're here today with Davis McVay. Davis, we always appreciate having you on the show. Today, we have a little levity. One of the reasons we love Davis is because he helps us lowly realtors to host open houses and clean up and does all the stuff that we need help doing. I understand recently helping a local realtor got a bit of a scare at the end of an open house. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, it was funny. So I get there, I get there early, like always, to help set up and do different things. And, this home was staged, so not much going on, should be easy. I'm running around, turning on all the lights. This is a 3-story building. So I'm in the basement naturally because, and so I go down, turning on the thing, opening the utility closets, making sure everything is clean, labeled, all that. I swing open this door and a giant, brown furry thing just swings out at me. And I shout and I just close the thing. And I'm, not a startled thing, but I'm thinking there's like a raccoon or something in this closet.
Dangerous out there.
So I slowly try to open it back up now that the light is on, but I've already slammed the door. Slowly open it up. And for some reason, the sellers and the stagers and the maid had just left a giant fur coat on this door hanger. So as I swung it open, it just sways right at my face. Thankfully, I didn't get rabies or anything that day.
Just a fur coat on the head.
Just a fur coat.
We appreciate you putting your life on the line in these open house situations. You're a great time to be around, and you certainly know your stuff on the mortgage end of it, and you have a great sense of humor, and we appreciate all your help, whether it's keeping things lighthearted or a serious question about how to save a lot of money in your loans. So thank you, Davis, for all you do, and thanks for being a part of this series. We'll see you out there next time. I hope you enjoyed this little humorous anecdote from our friend Davis McVay at Embrace Home Loans. Take care, everyone.